Beaded Spiral Bracelet Tutorial. The materials you will need are nylon cord, colored seed beads, clear beads, 1 loop ring, 1 lobster clasp, 3 crimp beads. Let's get started. Thread 1 crimp bead onto the cord. Thread the lobster clasp onto the cord. Go back through the crimp bead with the same end. Move the lobster clasp to the middle of the cord and pinch the crimp bead with pliers to secure. Thread one of the clear beads onto one end of the cord. Now go back through the same bead with the other end of the cord in the opposite direction. Pull both ends. Repeat steps 5 to 7 until you have a chain of beads the length of your wrist. Thread a crimp bead onto one end of the cord and go back through the bead with the other end. Pull both ends. Thread both ends of the cord through the loop ring going opposite ways. Now thread both ends back through the crimp bead going opposite ways. Pull both ends. Pinch the crimp bead with pliers to secure. Cut off one end of the cord. Thread the remaining end through the first clear bead. Thread 12 white beads onto the cord. Go through the 6th bead across. Pull the cord. Thread 4 white beads onto the cord. Go back through the clear bead to down. Pull tight. Thread 4 light blue beads on the cord. Go back through the clear bead to down. Pull tight. 12 light blue beads. Thread through the clear bead 6 up. Pull tight. 12 light blue beads. Thread back through the clear bead 6 up. Pull tight. For light blue beads, go back through the clear bead to down. Pull tight. Repeat steps 23 to 34 with blue beads. Repeat steps 23 to 34 with dark blue beads. Repeat steps 23 to 34 with white beads. Repeat steps 23 to 34 with light blue beads. Repeat steps 23 to 34 with blue beads. Repeat steps 23 to 34 with dark blue beads. Repeat steps 23 to 28 with white beads. Go through the clear beads until reaching the end. Thread a crimp bead onto the cord. Go through the lobster clasp with the cord and pull tight. Go back through the crimp bead with the cord and pull tight. Pinch the crimp bead to secure. Cut excess cord. And you're done! Thank you for watching this video and good luck for your bracelet making!